How to transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Google Play Store app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Navigate to profile icon at top right corner. From this menu bar, select Help and Feedback at the bottom of your screen. Now in the search bar, you need to type Google Play Balance and press Enter on your keyboard. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Us. On this example section, you simply need to type in Google Play Balance again. Once done, tap on the Next button. Then choose your issue. You can easily choose issue with Play Balance or transfer account content. And once you have chosen that here, you can easily select a specific area. You can easily select Google Play and gift card and then tap on the next button and proceed. If no solution appears, you can easily tap on the next step. And once done, you will see two options, chat and email. And after that, here you can easily choose one to contact support, or you can even contact to the community team and explain your issues, provide your name, transaction ID and relevant details. Then you need to submit your request. By doing so, you will successfully transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.